Okay, so we have here the blast freezer made in Italy, Hybra.
So the temperature is now 25, okay?
What is the set point now?
What?
Set point you put? Minus?
No, it's room temperature 25. Plus 25.
Okay.
It should be minus 40 after 20 minutes or after 15 minutes. But it's not going down.
Okay, so this blast freezer has an issue of it's not going to minus 40. So this is blast freezer. Basically, it should go up to minus 40. Manufactured by FRC. Model is PCM05. What we'll do is we'll check for the compressor and the expansion valve and the refrigerant. So we remove the bad field, inspected the compressor, the pipings, and all. Also for this cooling pan or the condenser pan, inspect, check that we put water inside the sub cooler, because there is a sub cooler inside that you need to always put water so that the high temperature pipe or the discharge pipe will cool down. And we discharge the refrigerant inside the system. I suggest to the technician. I'm always practicing by myself when I discharge a highly flammable refrigerant like 404. I discharge it in the water so that the person will not contaminate the area. Second, you are not exposing this highly flammable gas that's surrounding. So when you complete all the discharging, make sure to vacuum the system. Remove the moisture or water inside the yellow pipe of the supply port. So red is for the high pressure, the blue is for the low pressure, which is the suction, and the yellow is for the supply or discharge. This is the safe practice discharge the highly flammable R404 refrigerant using yung bucket of water. Okay, so once the discharging is completed, vacuum the system and we remove all the water residue and the submerged yellow pipe. After we charge the gas, vacuum and charge the gas, we check the unit for any leakage and we not find such or using rubber press or sponge soap to check the system. We charge the gas using the as the manufacturer it says 1000 grams. So use a weighing scale to accurately give charge the pressure accordingly. With less gas, it will not properly. If you put more gas, it will overpressure the compressor will overheat and it can damage it. Now we charge it, we use a cyclometer to check the amperage of the compressor. Because if it is overcharged, the higher the ampere rating will get high. Now the gas freezer is working. In a few minutes, the temperature reaches minus 24